Hello guys, this is my first video on this channel, so just want to give you a breakdown what this channel is gonna be about. So this is gonna be about traveling, about beautiful places like this, about birds, maybe small insects, noises and everything. And yeah, beautiful places like this, sunset, can listen the noise of nature. This is where you want to be. Planning to travel a lot in the future, so if you want to come with me in this journey, please like, share, subscribe, comment what places you want to see, where you want to go. At the minute I'm in Romania. Beautiful villages and places. So yeah, please stay with me and comment below what you think. Thanks for watching. See you next time.